Welcome to another WPvivid series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a manual backup with WPvivid. We are going to be using the free version. Before we jump in, here's when you should create a manual backup. Before updating your WordPress core, themes or plugins, before editing website files or database records, before testing a major change or a new feature, before migrating your site, or any time you just want a one-time restore point. Even if you already have scheduled backups, running a manual backup right before a risky change gives you an extra layer of protection. So let's begin. So step 1, you go to WPvivid plugin and click on backup and restore. Choose what to include in the backup. So you'll have 3 options. Either you can choose database and files, WordPress files only, or only the database. So database and files, this is a full website backup and recommended choice for most users. WordPress files only skips the database, and only database just backs up the database, no files. Most situations, especially before an update, go for the database plus files, so you have a complete restore point. So I'm going to choose database and files. Then we're going to select storage. So for this, I'm going to select backup to local. You can also send it to a remote storage like Google Drive, Amazon S3, as long as you already connected that under the remote storage tab. There's also an option here. This backup can only be deleted manually. Turn this on if it's an important restore point. You don't want your retention rules to automatically clean this up later. So if this is a major restore point, you can enable this can only be deleted manually, so that if there's automatic deletions or scheduled deletions for your backed up database, you can only delete it from there. So I'm going to select it and then click on backup now. When it's done, you'll get a success notifications that the backup is complete. Then we need to switch to the login page to check the details. The backup will show up in my backup list below, and from here I can download it and restore it and manage it from any time. That's the manual backup in WPvivid, quick on demand, and one of the easiest habits to build before a major change to your site. Pair this with a backup schedule and you've got both proactive and just in case protection covered. Check in the description for other WPvivid tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.